morning, students. Always be happy, healthy and blessed. As you all know that online classes are going on, sometimes audio and sometimes video. In my last video class, I explained you the first chapter of the supplementary reader Honeycomb. The name of the chapter was 3 questions. Today, we are going to do the written work of this chapter, that is word meanings and question answers. I will show you the word meanings and explain it also. Then we will do the question answers. In our today class, we are going to discuss the word meanings and the question answers of this chapter. Either you can do the written work in any rough register, or if you are having new register at home, as you all know that we cannot go to market, so you can do the work in any rough register, and if you are having new register at home, then you can use that also. You can make that register for Honeycomb. Draw your attention here. As I told you, you can see book is Honeycomb. Chapter 1, 3 questions. First, we are going to do word meanings. First word is council. A group of people chosen to give advice or to make rules. Counselors, this word is related to council. Members of the council. Third word is hermit. Very important character of this chapter. A person who lives alone and leads a simple life. If you remember, king went to the hermit for his 3 answers. Fourth word is woods. Meaning is a small forest. Fifth word is beds. Small patches of ground for plants. If you remember, when the king went to meet hermit in the forest, he was digging the ground and making beds. So beds were small patches of ground for plants. Sixth word is fainted. Meaning is lost consciousness. Seventh word is redressed. Meaning is dressed again. Eighth word seized. Meaning took by force. Nobody is giving you. That person is not ready to give you. But you are taking the thing by force. Ninth word is faithful. Meaning is loyal and true. There are total 9 word meanings, and now we are coming to do question answers. As I always say, answer the following questions in your own words. For that, first you have to read and understand the chapter thoroughly. Then only you can give the answers. So let us start discussing the question answers. First question. Why did the king want to know answers to 3 questions? Answer is, the king wanted to know answers to 3 questions because he thought that he would never fail in his life if he knew the answers to these 3 questions. Question number 2. Why was the king advised to go to magicians? As you know, in earlier time, people were not aware of science and all. So, they trusted very much magicians. They thought they are true person. They can see the future. But now, we all know that magicians only do tricks. The king was advised to go to magicians because only they could look into the future and decide the right time for doing something. Question number 3. What suggestions were made in answer to the third question? In answer to the third question, some said science, others chose fighting, and yet others suggested religious worship. So many varied answers were there. Question number 4. In answer to the second question, whose advice did the people say would be important to the king? Answer 4. In answer to the second question, some said that the people most necessary, that is, to whom the king should listen, were his counselors who made rules and gave advices to the king. Others said the priest. A few others chose the doctors and some chose his soldiers. Question number 5. Did the wise men win the reward? If not, why not? No. Though the wise men tried to give the answer, but no one win the reward. No, the wise men did not win the reward because the king was not satisfied with the different answers. The answers was very much different. Question number 6. Who was the bearded man? That stranger man who came to meet the king and hermit, and he was wounded. Who was that bearded man? Answer is, the bearded man was the king's enemy. Actually, that bearded man was king's enemy. Question number 7. Why did he ask for the king's forgiveness? As you all know in the story, that bearded man came near to the hermit and the king and the hermit both together, they served him, they saved his life, they gave him bed, water, and tried to console him. So early in the morning, when he got up and he saw the king, he remembered that this man saved my life and he asked for forgiveness. So we have to give the reason why he was asking for forgiveness to the king. Answer is, he asked for the king's forgiveness because he came to kill the king. Actually, his intention was to kill the king, to take his revenge. But the king took good care of his wounds and saved his life. Question number 8. This is the last question. What were the hermit's answers to the 3 questions? Write each answer separately. As the king was having 3 questions, the hermit gave 3 answers. So you have to write each answer separately. Which answer do you like most and why? Out of these 3 answers, in your opinion, which answer you like most and why? Answer. The hermit's answers to the 3 questions were: first, the right time to begin something is now. We cannot think that right time will come and we will start our work. No. The right time is now. Second, the most necessary person is the person with whom we are at a particular moment. Third, the most important business for one to do is to do good to others. We like the answer to the second question because no person knows what will happen in the future. Nobody knows it. So, we must help the person with whom we are at a particular moment. Now students, I want to tell you one thing. These are the 9 word meanings. It doesn't matter that each and every child can understand the whole chapter by only understanding these 9 word meanings. For that, what you should do is take a pencil, read the chapter carefully, underline those words which you are not able to understand. And then everybody is having dictionary at home. So make a practice to find out the meanings from the dictionary. It should be made like a practice. Then answer the following questions. It's not necessary that in your exams you will get only these questions. You can get the answers from in between the chapter also, as we all know. So what you should do? You should go through the chapter thoroughly. And whether fill-ups come, true, false, or question answers, any queries, you can answer it very well only and only when you read and understand the chapter thoroughly. So don't even think that only these 9 word meanings and these 8 question answers are only important. The whole chapter is important. That's all for today's class. Stay home, stay safe, and please revise the chapter and revise the syllabus, whatever going on in audio class or in video class. Bye-bye.